Now we're going to talk about duplicating views. So welcome back to another Revit 2020 certification video. Managing views is, not managing views, duplicating views is very important. And I stress this with all of my students. And, of course, many times they forget, which, happens always when you're learning. No big deal. But duplicating views, here's how you duplicate a view first. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do it first. Over here, I'm going to duplicate level 1. All I have to do is right-click where it says level 1. Okay, duplicate view. Either just plain old duplicate, or duplicate with detailing, or duplicate as dependent. I never use that one. I always use either duplicate or duplicate with detailing. Okay, so if I have any detailing on there that I want to duplicate, I'll do that. Okay, but actually most often I'll use just plain old duplicate. So click on duplicate. Now I have another copy of level 1. All right, and it says level 1 copy. I don't want it to say that. I want it to say something more specific, such as I'll go in here to click rename this time. Instead of level 1 copy 1, I'll say level 1 electrical, which on level 1 electrical will show all my light fixtures, switches, receptacles, and wires. Okay, and I want to do that because, and here's the reason you do that. If I were to say take level 1 on a sheet, and I've already got level 1 on this sheet right here, and let's say that it has everything that I need on it. Well, let's say I need another copy of level 1 to put on another sheet, and it's going to show just electrical or just plumbing. I have to make that copy up here first. Okay, so I would actually end up with many different level 1s, many different level 2s for sure. Okay, may even end up with some more of some of these other ones down here, but definitely here, level 1 electrical, just like regular level 1. Level 1 would probably just be my floor plan with dimensions. Okay, level 1 electrical would be my floor plan with, no dimensions, but with just the electrical stuff. Okay, and you can already see a difference in these two copies. Level 1 actually does have a dimension line on it. Level 2 electrical does not. I can also, while I'm posted on level 1 electrical, I can come over to visibility graphics and I can turn off doors, windows, and furniture. It's already off. And click apply. Okay, so now I turned off all the doors, windows, electrical, and all of that kind of stuff. Okay, so if I needed to turn those off for the electrical view, I would. But I could still go back to level 1 and it still has those things on. Okay, and actually I want to reset something on here. I want to turn the furniture back on. Just like that. Okay, so you can see I've got furniture, doors, windows on that one. On the electrical, I do not. Okay, so basically whatever you do in this particular view affects that view only. And when it comes down to it, if I need to create another sheet, I can't put 2 copies of level 1 on 2 different sheets. Okay, I have to put different copies. So on this sheet down here has floor plan level 1. This is already used. I can't use floor plan level 1 anywhere else ever again. Okay, but if I made another sheet, which I'll just do this real quick, I'm going to come back later and show you how to do this. Okay, so let's do this, and I'll try to pull level 1 over here. And it says, this view is already placed on sheet A101, unnamed, so I can't use it again. But if I put level 1 electrical, try it again, level 1 electrical, I can't. All right, so that's how that works. That's why you really need to know how to duplicate these things. And always name them appropriately. Okay, level 1 is okay just like it is, where it says level 1. Okay, I'm looking over in my project browser. Level 1 electrical, it needs to be specific. Okay, I need to put electrical so I know what's on that view. Okay, you'll end up having plumbing. Again, you may have one separate for your, like, let's say your interior design layout. You might have a separate one for that. Okay, so and your plumbing, you'll have a separate one for your plumbing as well, and many others. Okay, all right, so that is how that works. What was that? That was all that was included. Yeah, duplicate views is it. So we're going to create new section views on the next video.